my head. I always try to get balance to here.
Yeah.
When it goes there,
Yeah.
I try to be here. And when I goes there, I try to be here.
Yes.
Okay? So this is the physics.
Yeah.
It's a pendulum. So always I do the pendulum between the clock. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? And 2, 2, 2. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Good, good, good.
Huh?
Arm is weak. Arm is weak. My body is more strong. I use my hip. I use my hip. I can be here, right?
Okay.
With one hand.
Yeah.
Because I use my body.
Yeah.
If I only use my arms,
Yeah.
it's not. 1, right? And 2, 1. And this is a backswing.
Okay.
And through. And backswing. Through. Backswing. Through. My arm is cannot pull.
Yeah.
This is very heavy.
Yeah.
I just let it go.
Yeah. There you go.
I just let it go.
Yeah.
Push.
Yeah.
I need to push.
Push.
And push. Here is the same. Here is more weight.
Yes.
I try to use this one like a hammer. 1, 2, right? Try to hit. 1, right? And 2. Try to use this one. And away from my body, it makes a more speed. It should be away, right? If we get close, it's not. I try to more here, more here. Okay. More here, more here, more through there.
Okay.